In this video, you'll learn how to create a referral program in WordPress. By following these steps, you will set up a system to encourage users to invite others to your site, enhancing your outreach and engagement. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com, open your web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option, which is usually located in the top menu. Click on Sites to access your existing sites or to create a new one. Next, locate the option labeled Create with AI. This option will typically be visible after accessing the site section. Clicking this will initiate the AI site building process, which simplifies the creation of your site. After initiating the AI process, you will see a message indicating that the system is laying the foundations for your new website. This step prepares the necessary components for your site, and you may need to wait a moment for the setup to complete. Wait for the IA to fully load. During this time, you might see a loading indicator or progress bar. This process can take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the site being generated. Once the AI has completed its initial setup, you will be greeted with a message prompting you to make a website as unique as you. At this stage, it's essential to think about what your referral program will entail and how you want to present it. Type in Create a Referral Program in the designated input area. This action will help guide the AI in generating the content for your referral program. Make sure to enter the exact phrase to ensure accurate suggestions. Click on Enter to submit your input. You should see the system processing your request, which may take a moment to reflect the changes. This step is crucial as it directs the AI to focus on the referral program specifically. You will then receive a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a referral program based on your input. This confirmation assures you that the system is capable of generating the necessary content for your program. Next, type in Choose the choice given above in the appropriate section. This input will help refine the options available for your referral program setup, guiding the AI to offer the best selections. After typing, click on Enter again. This action will prompt the AI to process your new input and adjust the options accordingly, ensuring that you have relevant choices to work with. You will see a message asking you what your website should be called, specifically the site title shown in the browser tab. This title is important for branding and user recognition. Type in the desired name of your site. Ensure that it reflects your brand or the essence of your referral program, as this will be the first impression users have of your site. After entering the site name, click on Enter to proceed. The system will process this information and get ready for the next steps in the setup. You will then be prompted to enter a short tagline or description that will show in search results and social previews. This description should succinctly convey what your site offers. Type in a tagline that captures the essence of your referral program. This text will help attract potential users and clarify the purpose of your site. Click on Enter once again to submit your tagline. The system will process this input, allowing you to continue with the site creation. Next, click on Create My Site to finalize the setup process. This action will initiate the final stages of your website's creation, bringing together all the elements you have specified. You will see a message that reads, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on compiling your site based on the inputs you have provided. Wait for the site to generate. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of your site, this process could take some time. Be aware that this might take a while. Patience is key as the system finalizes all aspects of your new referral program setup. Once completed, your site will be ready for you to customize further. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.